guys, today I'm going to be playing this awesome airplane simulator that they actually say is #1, but I don't really know if they're true or not. But yeah, today I'm going to be playing the game. It's called Infinite Flight Simulator. See, I decided to choose the Boeing 737-700 Southwest. And I'm flying at the Charlotte. I'm going to start from the runway, because I don't want to have to waste all the time and everything. Basically, when I'm doing this video, is I'm just going to show you how guys have to land it and then take it off. Like, first take it off, then I'm going to show you how I land it and then show you how I take it off. Everything. You guys probably don't take it off this way. You guys probably do it a better way than me, but I'm showing you guys the way I take it off. But that suits me, and I'm really good at taking it off. Turn my thing up a little bit just so you guys can hear it. There we go. We are at the end of the runway of Charlotte KSSC. There it is, KSSC. Flaps down. Flaps need to be down. The way I take it off, I usually keep the flaps down at 2. Parking destination. I'm going to put it like this so that you guys can see that. I know when I take it off, what I usually do is I just usually put my speed up to around 84 or 85. Okay. The way you're really supposed to do it is you're supposed to keep that green arrow. If you want to use this green arrow right there, center, you can use that to put your you can use that to put on the lines of the airport for with the runway lines. You can always stay at the center of it. Everything I usually just go up to around this far, then I usually lift up. And I automatically turn on this bit of autopilot. Just try to go a little bit above these red lines. And I usually want to get over them when I bring my flaps up. Speed down to 75, 77. Put everything autopilot. It's on there. On. And I usually go as fast as I'm going up now. Just like this. You know what I do? I'm going to disengage that next one. That's when I can start turning to go to Charlotte. I can try to do the full flight though, but if it doesn't work, I'm just going to pause it and let me just pause a little bit just so that I can show you guys mostly what I do over speed hold. Nope. Spoilers on flight. I think I'm going to be turning too sharp. I'm really sorry if you guys can hardly see what I see, but that's the best I can do. We start to go a little bit down lower. Now you guys can a little bit see what I'm seeing now. So that's really good now. And then now you guys can see what I'm seeing. yeah, like I said, I'm flying a Boeing 737-700 to Charlotte, North Carolina. And I just love the detail of this game. This game is a really awesome game. I'm not gonna lie. This is a really awesome. We got all sorts of planes and stuff. I'm just gonna go around because this is an aircraft. If you guys make another, if you guys say something about my videos, you guys can just tell me in the comment section below, and the next time I do a Miracle on the Hudson plane flight thing, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, if you guys heard of the Miracle on the Hudson, where the plane crashed in the Hudson River and stuff, y'all can do that in the videos. Guys, just tell me in the comment section below. Oh yeah, I'm really close actually. This I might actually get to. I don't know, but I'm saying I might actually get to film the whole flight. I'm not gonna, because I haven't signed in yet. I have to make a 15-minute videos, but I don't know if this from this airport to Charlotte is gonna take that long, which I'm pretty sure it won't. Gotta turn this way. Yeah, so having to bank right a little bit just so that I can be able to turn. I don't really like to use the out. The out just messes me up. And I really usually also don't like to use the SPD either. I usually also don't like to use the APPR on the A320s or the A319s or any of the other planes that has the APPR and auto land. I really don't like to use it either, because I think they're a little bit harder to use. Also, yeah, it's usually a little harder to use. I've been filming for a total of 7 minutes and 33 seconds now, so I might actually get to film the whole flight. Now I'm actually positive I might actually get to. Bank right just a little bit. And we're starting to bank left just a little bit, and yes, it looks like it's going to be able to happen. I'm going to actually be able to film the whole entire flight now. I can probably tell. I can just tell. Because usually when I get past that line right there, is when I usually get closer. Is when I'm usually closer to Charlotte. So that means I'm getting actually getting a little bit closer to Charlotte. So that means that's good. That means I might actually get to film the whole flight. So we're at 8,500 feet now. We're at 8,560 feet now. 8,560 feet now up in the air. If you guys know that line right there stands for, and if you guys know what all the other what that means and that means and that means and think what's that thing means, just tell me in the comment section below, and tell me what all that means down there as well. I'm filming for 9 minutes now. So this is going to be great. Give me a second, guys. Okay guys, I'm back, so it's almost time to start the turn towards Charlotte. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's actually disengage the autopilot itself. Because runway is just right there. I'm gonna be able to make it. I'm pretty sure I'm always. So I've been filming for 10 minutes now. And then I got 5 more minutes total. Oh crap. Just put the speed on. I usually put that on when I'm flying it this time. I have been. Spoilers on the armed mode. Looks like we're going to be able to be coming in at runway 2, runway 3, 6 left, I'm pretty sure. Brakes on. Come on, Laney, you can be able to film us. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I will be at least. It's 737-700. Yeah, flaps down at 1. I'm going to bring no CT controller 0. Maybe we'll bring my gear down there. Yep, this is going to be able to happen. I hope. So I only got a few more tries now. Flaps down to 1 now. Come on. No, I won't be able to. Come on. Hold on a second, guys. I'll quit pause the video until I get ready for the landing. I'll be right back. Because I was landing anyway. I'm a little bit closer now. Let's see if I can probably get it to land in this amount of time. Nope, I won't. Never mind. Hold on. Alright, here we go, guys. Hold on.
40. 20.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye!